Today we're going to get right to it, and we're going to make the perfect baked potato. I'm going to make 4 of them today. Start by naturally cleaning your potatoes as best you can. If you have a vegetable brush, all the better. Once you've got them washed, go ahead and pat them dry with a paper towel. This is so simple that every time you make baked potatoes from now on, they're going to be perfect. All right, we're going to make a few holes in here. Why do we do that? Well, some people say it's to get frustration out, but no, not really. You know, it's so they don't explode when they're in the oven. Our next essential element in making the perfect baked potato is parchment paper. This just makes cleanup easy, just in case there is a problem, and it'll also keep them from sticking. Use it even if your pan is non-stick. Parchment paper is your best friend. Don't use aluminum foil, because that'll make the surface too hot and you'll get a scorch on the potato. So that's why we want to use parchment paper. I'm also going to use some olive oil, and that's what I suggest you use. I'm using gloves so that my hands don't get oiled up. Put some oil in the glove, take the potato and rub it very liberally so we get a nice good coating. I'm going to get in trouble because I spilled olive oil on the counter, but that's all right, I'll clean it up. I'm told. That's right, you're going to clean that up. You betcha you are. All right, there we go. Meantime, we're letting the oven preheat to 425 degrees. Last but not least, we're going to put a little bit of kosher salt on the potatoes. And since our oven is up to temperature, we're going to stick the potatoes in. The potatoes will be at 425 in the oven for anywhere from 45 to 60 minutes. You'll be able to tell when they're done when you can stick a fork in them, and it's easy, nice and soft. So we'll see what they look like in about 45 minutes. Alas, we have the perfect potato. We'll just cut it open, we'll give it a squeeze, and you're ready to add whatever toppings you want. Sour cream, butter, or basically just salt and pepper. Enjoy!